Now exercise 6.2. First question. Express in exponential form. Exponential mean part notation. We have to make the part of the given number. Already we have done in previous exercise. So first part of this question, 343 upon 1331 minus. So we'll find the prime factors of numerator as well as denominator. So find the factors. 343 3 plus 4 7 and 10. It is not divisible by 3, so it will be divisible by 7. 4 9. Then 7 sevens are 49, 7 ones are 7. 1 2 3. So 7 raised to power 3. Now find the factors of 1 3 3 1. It will be divisible by 11. So 11 ones are 11, 11 twos are 22, 1 3 1. 11 11s are 121 and 11 ones are 11. Again 11 raised to power 3. Numerator and denominator both having power 3. So 3 can be taken common. We can write in this way: 7 by 11 raised to power 3. Sign is of negative because power is in odd number. Next, second part, minus 32 upon 243. You can do, this is the base, you can make base 2 and this is, you can make base 3. So find the prime factors, you will do yourself. Third part of the same question. Third part, 1 upon 6 5 6 1. So 1, no need to take factors. We'll find the factors of denominator. 6 5 6 1. It will be divisible by 3 because 6 plus 5 11, 17 and 1 18. 18 is divisible by 3. You can check in this way. Divisibility test already you know. It will be divisible by 3. 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3, 26, 3 8s are 24, 3 7s are again 3, 3 7s are, 3 2s are 6, 3 9s are 3 big, 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are, then again 3, 8, 1, again 3, 27, again 3, 9, 3, 3, 1. So how many 3s are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1 upon 3 raised to power 8. Whole power we can write because if we multiply 1 8 times, already it will be 1. So 1 by 3, this is the answer. Now second part, second question of this exercise. The question is write second part, second question, then first part write 9 multiply 9 9 9 in exponential form. Exponential form taking base 3. Exponential form we can write directly because 9 4s are there, 9 raised to power 4 we can write in this way, but we have been asked base, it will be 3. So first of all we'll make base 3 of all the 9s. So 3 3s are 9, 3 raised to power 3, it will be 9 because 3 3s are 9. Same as 3 raised to power 2, 3 raised to power 2, again 3 raised to power 2. Now we have base 3, same bases are there, multiplication is there. We add the powers, 3 raised to power 2 plus 2 4, 6 and 8. 3 raised to power 8. Then second part of the same, write 8 into 8 into 8 in exponential form by taking base 2. Same as this question. 8, 8, 8. But we have to take base 2. Directly we can write 8 raised to power 3. It will be exponential form. But we have to take base 2. So first of all, we'll make base 2. 2 raised to power 3. It will be 8. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. Same as 2 raised to power 3. 2 raised to power 3. We have base 2. 2 raised to power 3 plus 3, 6 plus 3, 9. We have to add the powers. If multiplication is there, we will add the powers. 2 raised to power 9. Now, third question. Third is simplify. First part, 2 raised to power 3 multiply 2 whole power 2. So first of all, we should solve inside the bracket. Power should be solved only. 2 raised to power 3 and here 2 raised to power 1. Same base is there and multiplication is there. So we have to add these powers. 3 plus 1, 4. 2 raised to power 4 and whole power 2. Now if power, again power, we'll multiply the powers first. First of all, multiply power with power. So 2 raised to power 4 is 8. This is the answer. Second part of the same question. 5 raised to power 8. Then 5 raised to power 5 multiply 5 raised to power 3. 5 raised to power 8 upon same bases are there, multiplication is there, so we add these powers. 5 plus 3, 8, again 5 raised to power 8. Now we can reduce it. 5 raised to power 8 and 5 raised to power 8, it will be 1. So answer will be 1. Next, third part of the same question. 5 raised to power 2, again whole power 3. Multiply 5 raised to power 4 divided by 5 raised to power 7. So first of all, solve this part. Part with part multiply 5 raised to power 6 multiply 5 raised to power 4 divided by 5 raised to power 7. So solve inside the bracket. Same bases are there, multiplication is there, add the powers. 5 raised to power 10 divided by 5 raised to power 7. Now remember this thing, if bases are same and multiplication is there, we will add the powers. But if bases are same and division is there, we will subtract the powers. Now powers will be subtracted because division sign is there and base is same. But while subtracting, take care of this thing. This is dividend and this is divisor. Power of dividend minus power of divisor. So 10 minus 7. 5 raised to power 10 minus 7, 3. So this is the answer. Next. Sorry, this is the part of question number 4. We have left the part 3 of this question, so we'll continue with same. This is question number 4, part 3. Now, question number 3, part 3. 3 having part 20 divided by 3 part 15 multiply 3 raised to power 3. Again same base is there, division is there, so we have to subtract the powers. While subtracting, already I have told, power of dividend minus power of divisor. So 3 raised to power 20 minus 15, 3 raised to power 3. 3 raised to power 20 minus 15, this will be 5, multiply 3 raised to power 3. 3 raised to power, now same bases are there, multiplication is there, so we have to add these parts. 3 raised to power 8. This is the part 3 of question number 3, and this is part 3 of question number 4. Now we'll start first part of the question number 4. By mistake, it has been taken part 4. Now question 4, again simplify. First part, 2 raised to power 7, 2 raised to power 3, multiply 2 raised to power 5. Now 2 raised to power 7 upon 2 raised to power 3. What does it mean? Upon mean it is in division form. So we have to subtract these parts. If it is in division form, we have to subtract the parts. Either we can subtract or we can reduce them. So 2 raised to power 7 upon 2 raised to power 3. If we want to reduce it, power will be subtracted. In this way we can reduce 2 raised to power 3, 2 raised to power 7. So 7 minus 3, it will be 4. So by 2 raised to power 4, it can be reduced. Or you can write in this way, 2 raised to power 7 minus 3, again it will be 2 raised to power 4, and this is multiplication 2 raised to power 5. Now 2 raised to power 4 multiply 2 raised to power 5. Same bases are there and multiplication is there. Again we have to add these parts. So 2 raised to power 9. This is the answer. Second part. Third part you have done. Now we are going to start second part of the same question. 2 raised to power 2 and power 4 multiply 3 raised to power 8, 5 raised to power 8. There is no sign, it means this is multiplication. So 2 raised to power, multiply power with power, 4 to the 8, 2 raised to power 8, multiply 3 raised to power 8, then multiply 5 raised to power 8. Now powers are same, so we can take all the power common. 2 multiply 3 multiply 5 whole power 8. Power can be taken common. So now multiply 2 3s are 6 and 6 5s are 30 raised to power 8. This is the answer. If same powers are there, and multiplication is only in case of multiplication we will take common power. If addition or subtraction is there, then we cannot take power common. So while taking power common, answer will be 30 raised to power